going to work on the skill of throwing. There are two ways that we can do this. For the younger students, I really don't teach an overhand throw until we have worked on an underhand toss. So for this, you're going to need some kind of ball to toss or throw with. I have chosen a wiffle ball, but here's how it's going to work. For an underhand toss, we are going to swing our arm underhand, step in opposition. So that means I am going to step with the opposite foot that I'm throwing with. So the ball or the beanbag or the object will start in the hand you right with, but you will step with the opposite foot. So it'll look like this. Toss, underhand. Okay, once again, underhand toss with a step in the opposite foot. Okay, one more time, stepping in opposition, underhand toss. Now, to move on, we are going to do an overhand throw. So again, the ball is going to go in the hand we write with. We call that our dominant hand. You are always going to start the ball by your ear. Okay, and I always tell my younger students, they get a kick out of this. If I say, open the shower door, step in the shower, throw the soap. Okay, now that's just a fun way to break down the mechanics of throwing. But basically what we're doing is starting the ball by our ear, once again stepping in opposition, and then throwing. The one part that I want to make sure that you do is your non-throwing arm is going to be your guide arm. So it's going to actually point towards your target. I always tell my students that it should be pointing in the direction my toes are pointing in the foot that I'm stepping with. So it'll look like this. Open the shower door, step in the shower, throw the soap. Open the shower door, step in the shower, throw the soap. Now the other thing that I want you to note while I'm doing this is how my body opens and then how it closes when I'm finished. We call this a follow through in throwing. So my arm is literally going to come from my ear across my body and snap downwards. Okay, so now watch this. Open, step, close. Open, step, close. So there you have the mechanics of an underhand toss and an overhand throw. I would like for you to find a family member or a space out in the yard that you don't need anybody to catch your ball and go out and practice some underhand tossing and overhand throwing.